Welcome to another video on integration by substitution. In this video, you're going to learn how to integrate a problem that looks like this. And in this question, we are told to integrate exponential 3x plus 3 divided by exponential 3x plus 9x plus 2 with respect to x. And the best way to integrate this is by substitution. Now, whenever you have a problem like this, the first thing to check is, can it be simplified? Is there a way for me to simplify this? Now, looking at this, I can't think of any way to simplify this, right? So the next thing that comes to mind is substitution. I want to substitute. Now, what do I substitute? The numerator or the denominator? So let's check. If I substitute the denominator and I say let u equals to, the numerator. If I substitute the numerator and I say let u equals to exponential 3x plus 3. Alright, the next step is to differentiate with respect to x. So du dx is equal to, differentiating this guy gives me 3 exponential 3x. Now, at this point, if I'm to substitute and I have integral u, right, I've replaced this guy, divided by exponential 3x plus 9x plus 2 dx, it will become clear that this is not going to work out. Because how do I move forward substituting the denominator and having the entire expression to be in terms of u, just one variable, not different variables? So this won't work. Alright, so we're going to clear the board and start up. So this time we're going to substitute our denominator. So let u, I'm just using u, you can actually use any letter of your choice. Okay, so let u equals our denominator, exponential 3x plus 9x plus 2. Okay, now when we differentiate u with respect to x, we're going to have 3 exponential 3x plus 9, right? This is our derivative. Okay, now we can observe that this derivative kind of looks like our numerator. Okay, so what we just have to do is divide through by 3, right? So we have 1 over 3 du dx equals to exponential 3x plus 3. Okay, but let's take it step by step. From this point, we made u to be the denominator. So when we replace the denominator, we're going to have exponential 3x plus 3 divided by u dx. Now, we want the entire expression to be in terms of u. Okay, so this exponential 3x plus 3, we can equate it to this guy that you have right here, right? Just as we have it here. So this now becomes 1 over 3 du dx. We have replaced exponential 3x plus 3, right, with this guy, then divided by u, then multiplied by dx. Okay, so this is to write this properly, we should write it as the integral of 1 over 3, right, du dx, right, multiplied by dx, right, this guy. So I just want to write it clearly so we can understand it. So 1 over 3 du dx multiplied by dx, right, then divided by u. Okay, so dx cancels out dx and we are left with the integral of 1 over 3 du over u. I hope it's clear. So from here we have simplified this integral to this guy. So here we can easily integrate. So we can bring out 1 over 3. So we're going to have 1 over 3 integral du over u. This is the same as 1 over 3 integral 1 over u du. What is the integral of 1 over u? The integral of 1 over u is the natural logarithm of u. Okay, so this is 1 over 3 ln u then plus c. And always recall that you are integrating with respect to x, so you must not have u as your final answer. You remember what you made u. Okay, so you replace it back. So now the final answer now becomes 1 over 3 ln this guy exponential 3x plus 9x plus 2 plus c. And that is it. Very, very simple. I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.